Hey everybody, it's Jay Jackson here with a new DIY video. So in today's video, we're going to be using these supplies, the Waverly chalk paint there, the sandpaper, the brushes that you see, and of course, the tray. The paper I ended up not using. I am cleaning off the tray here, just because it was a little dusty, so I ended up cleaning it before I would use the chalk paint. Normally you do not have to clean off the surfaces depending on the surface that you're going to be using to use the chalk paint with. See, this is my first coat right here. Now I am beginning to sand the surface to get off some of the paint. I know that's a little funny that you paint something and then you use the sandpaper to distress, but that's what I decided to do at this point. So I only did just a little bit of it, and then I wiped off the surface with the dust, and then I ended up painting it some more. Guys, at this point you can see that I decided to add these candle holders to be painted as well. Okay, also at this point, this was my third paintbrush I had gone through. I purchased these paintbrushes from the Dollar Tree. All the supplies, pretty much, even these candle holders, had come from the Dollar Tree, excluding the Waverly chalk paint, which I purchased from Walmart for approximately, I think, $5. But I'll put down in the description box the amount that the Waverly chalk paint cost. So this is my first time using the chalk paint. As you can see, one of the benefits, as I stated earlier, was that you can adhere this chalk paint to any surface. It dries very quickly, and this is a product that I will for sure be using in the future. Thanks for watching.